USDJPY to the analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video, if you see these links here, it says join free Telegram channel. So go and join Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then check out the brokers and the platform right here. So go and sign up with these brokers using my link and start your trading journey. And especially if you want to trade with my signals, then have a separate account. So join this broker, subscribe, like. Coming back to the chart here, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame, and this is a very hot pair for my audience. I can see that people who watch my videos, they like USDJPY and they mostly trade USDJPY, and I have given so much free money already. Okay, leave a comment below if you have made money with my USDJPY analysis. If you have seen my USDJPY analysis and then you have traded and then you have made money, then drop a comment below. Now, coming back to the chart, officially we are up in the weekly time frame as well. Okay, so USDJPY started the uptrend quite long time ago on this candle here, rather this candle. Okay. Anyways, long story short, you can watch my previous USDJPY videos and you will get to understand what I'm saying. So we are in the uptrending weekly and dailies. We are already above the EMA. Wow. We are already above the EMA. That doesn't mean we're going to enter long right now. We'll be a moron. I'll be a moron to enter long right now. So we have to wait for the pullback. Coming back to 4 hour. Actually. Okay, so fine. We can enter long right now because we're in the strong uptrend. Okay. Pullback has happened already. New high is not created, right? Do you understand what I'm saying? You don't, maybe I'll explain. This was your previous high. Use the line. That's it. This was your previous high. Then pullback has happened. Rejection has come from the EMI. This is a perfect setup. Okay, close your eyes and enter long right now. Whenever you're watching the video, enter long blindly. I'm telling you, you have my words. Okay, so this was the previous high, as you can see. Then pullback has happened from the EMI. Okay, rejection came. This was on 16th of July when a lot of people must have lost their money in the account. Okay, anyway, so this was the trap. Anyway, so this was the high. Then this was a pullback. This was the pullback. Then this long candle was your entry. Okay, so if you entered here, fine. If you did not enter here, you can still enter right now because I'll tell you when to exit. Okay. So new high is not created. The reason I'm telling you why to enter long right away, because new high is not created yet. And you have to understand, dollar has officially started the uptrend. USDJPY has officially started the uptrend. So we have to create new highs. Okay. So this was new high, then new low. New high has to be created. And new high will be created at 149.60. Okay, so your new high will be somewhere here. So you have to thank me later. Okay, you know what? If you enter long right now, just close your eyes, take a long position, and your take profit will be 149.60. And right now the price is 140.70. 90 pips for free. 90 pips for free. If you go and watch my previous USDJPY videos, I had been giving you 100 pips, 50 pips, 100 pips, 50 pips in the USDJPY almost in every video. Drop a comment below and thank me later. Okay, I don't need your thanks. I don't need you whatever. But you can also tell me that, were you able to spot this? Were you able to know what I just told you? Did you know when to exit? I don't think so, because the problem in trading is you don't know for how long to keep your profits alive. Okay, for example, someone entered here and they're at profits right now, but you don't know for how long to carry on those profits. And if you hold too long, then the market will come down and your profits will be gone. You will be, you waited 2-3 days and then you only make 10 pips. You don't want that, right? If you wait 2-3 days, you make at least 100 pips. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. A lot of people do the analysis, but nobody tells you all this for free. My audience can leave comment below if I'm right or wrong. And again, pullback has happened. This is a perfect setup. And if you would have entered here, your take profit is 149.60. That is the problem. It's not a problem. Nobody tells you that. Why would they tell you? What are you giving? What are you giving to me? But I'm doing this for free. I'm an idiot. Okay, I'm an idiot so far because I am telling you this for free. Nobody else in the world tells you that. To when to exit. Okay, I could simply would have walked away. I would say It's an uptrend. Look for longs after each pullback. Bye bye. Subscribe, like, blah, blah, blah. Everybody else is doing that on YouTube. Okay. But I told you exactly when to exit. That's important. I told you if you're watching my video, whenever you're watching my video, if you're into this zone, enter right now. One more thing, it's Friday. So Friday will be consolidating. It's, we might go down, we might consolidate, but the breakout will happen on Monday probably, or maybe even today. You never know. Okay. Right now the US market is closed when I'm recording. Okay. So breakout might happen today or maybe on Monday, but we'll surely get there. We'll surely get to 149.60. You will get your 90 tips. That's my word. If you like what you say, do your job. It's not my job to come and give you free money in every single video. I don't do these videos on daily basis because I guess I get exhausted because I have to do my full-time trading as well. So I do these videos, and in every video I give you 50 or 100 pips easily. Go and watch my previous videos, you will see what I'm saying. Okay. So your responsibility, your duty is to subscribe, like, join Telegram, share the video, and join these brokers using my link. If you don't do that, then I will stop all this because it's, I don't owe you anything. You understand that, right? Whosoever's watching the video, if you're making free money from my videos, you owe me the money. I don't owe you anything. So either we work as a team or I don't work at all. You have seen I recorded my last video on Sunday. Go on my channel and see the last video I uploaded was on Sunday. And then I'm uploading this video on Friday after 5 days. If I don't see people supporting this channel, I don't have any need to come and, make these videos. I'm making my money. So, don't try to act smart because I'm more smarter than others, most of them. Okay. So subscribe, like, do your job. It's free thing. If you subscribe or like, I don't need to subscribe or like, but if we have to carry on YouTube, this is all we have to do. Okay, you do your job, subscribe, like, share, join Telegram, and join the brokers especially, and support this channel because it's not about the money. I can make my money. If I am telling you get your 90 pips, then I can get those 90 pips as well. I can make money in my own ways. But if why am I on YouTube if you don't do all these things? Okay, join the broker, subscribe, like, do whatever, okay? And work as a team. You do your part and I'll give you free money. Otherwise, you will regret one day. And that one day will come sooner than later, you think. Subscribe, like, blah, blah, blah. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.